Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm here to talk to you about how to make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make a passive income. And today I'm going to show you how to get started. I'll give you a few tips on how to find the best products to promote, how to create an effective marketing strategy, and how to maximize your earnings. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. 1. Select the best products to promote. Although there are tens of thousands of possible affiliate products, not all of them will be worthwhile. Some websites offer pitiful affiliate commission rates, so in order to generate a sizable profit you'll need to refer a lot of potential clients. These include well-known affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, whose commission rates on a number of product categories were cut in 2020. For instance, they reduced the affiliate rate from 8% to 3% for purchases of furniture and home improvement goods. You might think about signing up for a network of affiliates like CJ Affiliate or ShareASale. These compile goods from various vendors, building a catalog from which affiliates can select appropriate goods. However, just because an affiliate network offers a variety of options doesn't mean you should sell a broad range of goods. It is much better for people to view you as an authority on a small number of topics. 2. Run a blog or a channel on YouTube. Having a sizable audience of people who are likely to be interested in your affiliate products is essential in becoming a successful affiliate. Setting up a blog where you write informative posts that would interest these people is one way to accomplish this. As an alternative, you can advertise your affiliate products on a popular blog with the right target audience, if you already have one. You must regularly update your content if you run a blog. This is what Google prefers to see, and if your posts are of high enough quality and adhere to sound SEO practices, you should gradually grow your audience and authority over time. 3. Make sure the information in your content is pertinent and helpful. Whether you rely on a blog, YouTube channel, or simply a sizable social media following, you must make sure that the information you offer about the products you promote is pertinent and worthwhile. Instead of employing any hard sell tactics, you should focus on educating people to move them down the sales funnel. Instead of coming across as a typical used car salesman or a purveyor of snake oil, you need to establish authority and trust with your audience. 4. Try to make sure that your affiliate products have some synergy. Some people believe that promoting as many products as you can is the simplest way to use affiliate marketing to generate passive income. In order to promote everything, they sign up for each affiliate network and numerous other affiliate marketing products. They frequently even advertise rival affiliate products. The issue is that this is among the simplest ways to turn off a crowd. You come off as merely an advertiser who doesn't care about the goods you're trying to sell. Because of this, potential customers won't have the opportunity to learn enough about your affiliate products from you, and they'll instead look elsewhere. If you establish yourself as an authority in a well-defined niche, that is the only circumstance in which you might get away with promoting rival products. The best affiliate product sites in your product category can be linked to in that case. You should focus only on selling items that would appeal to that target market in order to try to attract that audience. The same goes for producing high-quality content for the wrong kinds of products that won't appeal to your audience. 5. Remain calm. The secret to effective affiliate marketing, like most online marketing, is patience. It's unlikely that you will suddenly become rich. It might take you years before you start earning a sizable income if you don't have a ready-made audience. But if you're willing to produce informative content and market your affiliate products, you should gradually start to make money and realize that your time has been well spent. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you found it helpful. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to receive notifications of all new content. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make passive income, and with some dedication and hard work, you can start earning money with it. I hope this video gave you the information needed to start your own affiliate marketing business and to make money with it. Remember to be consistent, stay focused and keep track of your efforts so you can measure your success. Good luck and happy earnings. If you have any comments, questions or requests for future videos, please let me know in the section below.